कुछ बातें हमारी यादों के कमरे की इतनी खिड़कियां खोल देती हैं कि हम दंग रह जाते हैं। बहुत खूबसूरत होती है ये यादों की दुनिया। हमारे बीते हुए कल के छोटे छोटे टुकड़े हमारी यादों में हमेशा महफूज रहते हैं। यादें मिठाई के डिब्बे की तरह होती है, एक बार खुला तो सिर्फ एक टुकड़ा नहीं खा पाओगे।
ये लम्हे ये पल हम बरसों याद करेंगे, ये मौसम चले गए तो हम फरियाद करेंगे।
Lovely personality with a golden heart and pure soul. ये एक बहुत प्योर सोल है और जिस हिसाब से ये दूसरों को समझाती है, उसके पीछे जो भी ये बात बोलती है उसके पीछे कहीं ना कोई लॉजिक होता है।
रहो जहाँ भी अपनी छाप ऐसे छोड़ जाना, हर कोई गुनगुनाता रहे आपका ही गाना।
I will miss you until we will meet again. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun, but the hills that we climbed are the seasons out of time.
You are the source of inspiration for all of us, and you proved to be a good mentor and an amazing problem solver. All the achievements and every single all the advices, even a small advice, everything, whatever you used to tell us, a small mistake of us, an advice, it was remarkable, ma'am. I won't forget the memories we spent together. In fact, I'll keep them in my heart ever forever. Your passion towards teaching ignites learning in each and every student. We offer our sincerest appreciation for her remarkable career as a teacher and employee of our institution. और खूब एंजॉय करो लाइफ को
या बर्बाद करेंगे, ये मौसम चले गए तो हम फरियाद।
आपके साथ बिताया हुआ पल मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगी। मैं इस तरह से भी कहना चाहूँगी हम अपने धन्यवाद श्रीमती जी, अपने इतने
मौसम चले गए तो हम
I must extend my hearty thanks to all of you for organizing this wonderful fearless party.
Good to see you, and more than mom, I think I would take this opportunity to thank you all, because I think in different ways how you have taught me a lot of things in class. Mummy ka, obviously parents have a very different role, so I am taking it in a way that I'm taking this opportunity to thank you all. Otherwise I would have not received this opportunity to come and talk to all of you at the same point.
I was 22 years old. जिससे मैंने जॉब ज्वाइन की थी, मेरी एजुकेशन में मास्टर कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ था. I learned a lot from all of you and your sport is remarkable. I never forget that. So जो स्कूल की जर्नी है उसमें एट लास्ट में यही बोलूँगी कि if you think you are a teacher, that is wrong. If you think you are a mentor, that is better. क्योंकि हमें बहुत कुछ बच्चों से सीखने को मिलता है क्लास में, और अगर उसको सीख के हम बच्चों को पढ़ाएं तो शायद one can achieve what you want to achieve. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful life ahead. And I already started. I really enjoyed my Kashmir trip. And I hope साइकिल हम और में ट्रिप्स में लेके जाएंगे. और I hope you all enjoy and your teaching and beautiful. Thank you so much.
Madam Sehgal was a wonderful teacher, a very dedicated teacher, ready to learn every point of time. ready to accept the responsibilities which was given to her, whether she liked it or she didn't like it. But she was professionally upright in accepting the same and doing the justice to the job which was, for the job profile which was given to her. So wish you all the best. Thank you.